Okay, so today's first sound is the oi sound. Oi, oi, oi. Everybody say oi. Well done. So we have the O and I letters making the oi sound. Okay, so let's put the oi sound into some words. The first word we have is oil. Oil. Oi. Ooh. Oil. 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 Okay, I need to change the oil in my car. Oil. 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 So that's 3 letters making 2 sounds. Oil. Super. Next one is avoid. 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 I need to avoid somebody maybe at work. I need to avoid somebody at school. You don't want to talk to them. Maybe they've hurt your feelings or something. You need to avoid them, stay out of their way. Avoid. 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 We have 5 letters and it's making 4 sounds. Avoid. Okay, super, avoid. And finally we have toilet. 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 I need to go to the toilet, the bathroom. Okay? Toilet. Toilet. Okay, so let's go through them all again together then. Say it with me at home to practice, like always. Oi, oi, oil, oil, oil. Avoid, avoid, avoid. And toilet, toilet, toilet. Okay, so let's go on. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.